Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you another computer tricks that you might find useful in your very own computer. This time it's all about your hard drive. Suppose you have a hard drive that has one solid partition, say this drive C, which is approximately 200 or 300 gigabyte, and you would like to create a separate partition for your data, meaning to say you would like to separate your system from your data. So what you're going to do, so in as much that it has already an information written in it, you have to be very careful, because once you made a mistake, now probably your system will not work at all. But then again, all you have to do to carefully do the partitioning, an extra partition for your data on this hard drive, you have just simply to type right here in this particular run button. Okay, you have to type disk partition. So you have to select, right here, create and format hard disk partitions. So once it's open, all you need to do is look at the partition right here, which is this drive C. Right click on it, and you just have to click shrink volume. So at this point, it's querying for the shrink space that requires for you to have the typical data space you need. You don't have to worry anything about the space at all, because it's automatically done by the system. So once this is ready, right here, all you have to do is click shrink, and it will definitely shrink to that level of partition you may require. So just have to wait. So it's right here. So this is now the unallocated. Again, this is your system. This will be a data. So you have to right click on it to do the new simple volume. Just click on this one, then you click next, and you may want to simple volume, that's the entire size. Click next and assign a volume label, which is already not assigned. Say we typically utilize drive F, okay, because that's the vacant drive letter nearest to the last one. Just have to click next, and at this point you may want to type the volume label right here, which is data. So right here you just have this one quick formatted. You just have to click next, click finish. So right here it's already formatting, so you have to wait. When it's done, it will open up, okay, to clearly show you how it looks. This is it. This is your system. Now it's just 159. This is your data, the ones you created. This is the existing data part, and so how it's done. Now on the other hand, what if you'd like to have this one joined on this one, not in as much that you don't need a data space? So what are you going to do? So moving towards that, all you need to do is, again, right here on this very start menu, you type disk part, DISCK, and again you click again create. Now all you have to do right here is to right click on this one, and you may need to delete the volume. Click yes. Now when you delete, make sure there's no data in it, because once there's a data, then somehow, okay, that may cause a problem. Okay, So right here you may have to delete the partition. Click yes. Now it's unallocated. Right click on it. Okay. And to click the properties to check. The volume is right here. The driver is here. Okay. So you have to click on this one, hold control, click on this one, and definitely you have to click new simple volume wizard. Click new. Next. I'm sorry for that, you have to cancel this one. So right click on this. You have to right here, since this is the main, extend the volume. Click next. Okay, so if you notice you have 133, so this is the extended volume. Okay, so right here what I'm going to do is you have to click next. Okay, and click finish, and there you go, it's joined together. Now let's find out. We close this one and we go towards here, and you have it back right here. Is another 292 gig, and of course your previously partitioned hard drive is definitely safe. And so that's how it's done, how you create a partition in your existing drive C and place them back whenever you feel free to have it back the way it is. Thank you very much for your patronage. If you'd like to comment, please comment down below, or you may have to subscribe and click the notification bell for another set of videos. Trip. Again, this is the Simple Tech Solution signing off. Thank you very much.